So, I've had this keyboard for about, I don't know, like 3 or 4 years, and it still works pretty beautifully. No issues whatsoever. The keys don't stick very often, and when they do, it's my fault because I got stuff in them. You just gotta clean it out, you know how it is. And, yeah, man, the keys are responsive. Sounds great. It has a lot of different modes on it, like function, and then the slash gives you different light patterns. Sorry, the computer's starting up. It's like, oh, see, look, it has the reactive touch, and then you can change the color with one of these. That one is the period. So you can change the color with that, have it reactive. You know, very cool. And it has like patterns. And it has like the single light up key. Oh, that one's pretty cool, like the trickle rain thing. And then the smooth RGB light. And then the fade, it just goes to different colors, I think. No, it just goes blue. I think you can change that color though. Nah. Oh, that's just the RGB. Like that's the different ones. That's the real RGB. It goes from the middle out. That one's like the, it just has a bunch of different things to offer. Very nice keyboard, 10 out of 10.
Hey guys, so this is the keyboard. It comes with this, the manual, and these 3 other things. And here's a sound test. Sorry, let me fix the camera. I totally recommend it. It does not feel cheap at all. It feels pretty heavy in my opinion. Obviously not that heavy, but it does not feel cheap. So I recommend it. This is my first time actually getting a 60% keyboard. It actually came out way smaller than what I expected it to be. But of course it's a 60% keyboard, so it's supposed to be small, but I recommend it.
Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing the KLUDGE RK61 and everything it comes with and everything it can do. Comes with 4 switches, a grabber to grab the keycaps to clean under anything. So I love this keyboard for one reason, because I can fully customize the color I want in real time. Orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, pink, white. It's just beautiful. And you can change the brightness of this as well. And that means it's that full brightness. You have full control. Like, it just sounds great too. Everything about this keyboard is beautiful. It's nice, it fits on my desk nice, it's nice and small. And it's perfect for gaming.
maybe a little bit more lubed here, but for its price range, this is so good. I give it 8 out of 10.
Eaten fresh. Melons are a good source of vitamins A and C. Common melons include cantaloupe, honeydew, and cassava.